Today we are going to talk about stress. Um, so let's go through this. Stress refers to the loudness of a syllable. In Spanish, one syllable of a word usually is louder than the others. Stress is important because it can completely change the meaning of a word. The following words are identical except for the location of the stressed syllable. Alright, so the first word looks like there is an emphasis on the letter A. So I think it should be papa. Papa, it means father. The second one appears to be uh, equal in the sense that there is no um, emphasis on any particular letter in the word. So it's papa, which means potato. Third one is compro, he bought. Emphasis on O, on the stress on letter O. And the fourth one is compro, I buy. I buy, he bought. Okay, so let's continue.
Listen and repeat. Be sure to put the stress on the correct syllable.
Okay,
Papa,
papa.
papá,
And notice the stress at the end for the letter A, right? So it's more like papa. The other one was papa or papa. Let's repeat the other one.
papa,
Papa,
papá,
papa, which is dad. Okay.
esta,
Esta, this. Esta means this. So you have papa, papa, and esta, right?
está,
Esta, it is. So in this, so obviously if we compare the two words, right? Esta and esta. Esta means this. Esta means it is. Even though it looks similar, it's pronounced differently.
pico,
Pico, peak.
picó,
Pico, his stung. Entirely different meanings.
Again, listen and repeat. Pay close attention to which syllable has the main stress.
Okay, so this time the speaker is from Spain.
Papa,
Papa, it means potato.
papá,
Papa, dad.
esta,
Esta, this.
está,
It is.
pico,
Peak,
picó,
pico, his stung.
Listen and repeat. Be sure to put the stress on the correct syllable.
Alright, so looks like we have completed the stress part of it. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.